Dear first prep, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. It's Mr. Ahmed Mahmoud with you today to introduce a new mathematics lesson. Today, inshallah, we have Geometry Unit 3, Lesson 9. The lesson is called Translation. And translation means moving an object from place to another place. Let's start the lesson. Translation in the Cartesian coordinate. This is the first what I'm going to explain. Okay, if he asks me to draw triangle ABC, then draw its image by translation from x to y to be x plus 3 and y plus 2, where a equal -1 4, b equal -1 1, c equal -3 and 1. Okay, first I'm going to draw the points -1 and 1 here, -1 and 4 here in this position, and point B -1 and 1, and the point C -3 and 1 here. So I'm going to connect the 3 points like this. I'm going to connect the 3 points to get triangle ABC. This is the first step. Okay, here x and y change to be x plus 3 and y plus 2. Okay, that means the translation means that I translate x from x to x plus 3 and translate y from y to y plus 2. That means I translate every x, okay, 3 units parallel to x-axis, but plus 3 means positive direction of x-axis. So I'm going to move or push the triangle 3 units to the right like this. This is x plus 3, 1, 2, 3 units. And also y plus 2, that means I am going to move y 2 units. The positive direction of y is to go up, so I'm going to push y up 2 units like this in this direction. Finally, I'm going to push the triangle 3 units to the right and do 2 units up to be in this position again like this, 3 units to the right and 2 units up. Okay, this is the way that I'm going to translate the triangle from the original position to the new position. Okay, if he asks me x plus 3, so I'm going to move the triangle 3 units to the right, okay, and y plus 2 2 units up. Okay, I have another way for you to solve this one, okay, without graph. Okay, what does it mean, or what is the other solution? The other solution that I'm going to write a dash, b dash, c dash by using this rule. Okay, like this. A equal -1 and 4. And the translation means x plus 3 and y plus 2. So I'm going to add -1 plus 3 and y plus 2 like this. -1 plus 3 and 4 plus 2. Okay, -1 plus 3 equal 2 and 4 plus 2 equal 6. So a dash equal 2 and 6. And also b dash, b equal -1 and 1. Okay, so I'm going to add x plus 3 and y plus 2 like this. negative 1 plus 3 and 1 plus 2. It gives me negative 1 plus 3 equals 2 and 1 plus 2 equals 3. So B dash equal 2 and 3. Finally, C equal negative 3 and 1. So I'm going to add negative 3 plus 3 and 1 plus 2 like this. Negative 3 plus 3 0. 1 plus 2 equals 3. So C equal 0 and 3 like this. So A equal 2 and 6. 2 and go up to 6. This is A dash. B dash 2 and 3. 2 and 3 here. This is B dash. Finally C 0 and 3. 0 and 3. Now I am explained this one by two different ways, but actually I'm going to depend on this way, which depend on add x and add y, and this is the easier way for you. But the first way is just introduction for the meaning of the translation. Okay, now let's solve the first question. Now we have example 1. Find the image of the points A, B, and C by translation x plus 2 and y minus 3. Okay, first I'm going to draw the graph like this. Here the point A is 2 and 5, 2 and go up to 5. This is point A. B negative 4 and 3, so negative 4 and 3 here. This is B. C 2 and 0. Because 2 is the x coordinate, so 2 and 0 belong to x axis, so 2 and 0 here in this position. This is C. Now I'm going to connect the 3 points A, B, and C to get this triangle. Okay, after that I'm going to identify A dash, B dash, C dash. The rule of the translation that I'm going, this is the rule of the translation, x plus 2 and y plus 3. Okay, here A dash, A equal 2 and 5, this is x and this is y, so I'm going to make 2 plus 2 and 5 plus minus 3. 2 plus 2, 4, and 5 minus 3 equal 2. B dash, B equal negative 3 and negative 4 and 3, so I'm going to make negative 4 plus 2 and 3 minus 3. Negative 4 plus 2 equals negative 2, and 3 minus 3 equals 0. C 2 and 0, so I'm going to make x plus 2 or 2 plus 2 and y minus 3 or 0 minus 3. So it will be 2 plus 2 equal 4 and 0 minus 3 equals negative 3. Okay, and now I'm going to collect the 3 points or join the 3 points A dash 4 and 2, 4 and 2 here. This is A dash. B dash negative 2 and 0. Negative 2 is x, so this is belong to x axis. It will be negative 2 and 0 here in this position. And 4 and negative 3, 4 and go down to negative 3. This is C dash. And after that I'm going to connect A dash, B dash, C dash like this to give me the image of triangle ABC by translation x plus 2 and y minus 3. Another one. Also find the image of triangle ABC. A equal 4 and 4. B equal 0 and 2. Here 2 is y coordinates, so 0 and 2 belong to y axis. This is B. C equal 6 and negative 2, so 6 and go down to negative 2. This is C. I'm going to connect A, B, and C to give me this triangle as you see. Okay, now I'm going to find A dash, B dash, C dash. The translation is x minus 4 and y plus 1. Okay, so every x plus 4. Here A minus 4. Here 4 minus 4 and 4 plus 1. So A dash equal 4 minus 4, 0, and 4 plus 1, 5. B dash, again back to B, 0 minus 4 equals negative 4, and 2 plus 1 equals 3. C dash, 6 minus 4 equals 2, and negative 2 plus 1 equals negative 1. A dash, 0 and 5, so it is 0 and go up to 5. This is A dash. B dash, negative 4 and 3, negative 4 and go up to 3. C dash, 2 and negative 1, 2 and go down to negative 1. So this is A dash, B dash, C dash. So the triangle finally will be like this. A dash, B dash, C dash is the image of triangle ABC by translation x minus 4 and y plus 1. Okay, another example. Here we have example 3. Draw triangle ABC, A equal 5, 2, B 4 and 5, C 2 and 2 by translation BC in the direction BC ray. Okay. First I'm going to answer the first part of the question and later I'm going to explain the second part. A5 and 2, 5 and go up to 2. This is A. B 4 and 5 here. C 2 and 2. This is C. And then I'm going to draw the triangle like this. Okay. Now I need to translate this triangle as magnitude BC in the direction of BC. What the meaning of magnitude? Magnitude means the length of the translation and in the direction of BC, here in this direction. Okay, first I have a new rule for you. BC equal, translation BC equal C minus B. Again, BC equals the second minus the first. Okay, C minus B. So it is C minus B, 2 minus 4 equals negative 2, and 2 minus 5 equals negative 3. This is the translation. Okay, the translation BC equals C minus B. This is a rule. Again, translation BC equals C minus B. Okay, the second minus the first. Negative 2 minus 3. Okay, now I'm going to use this translation with A, B, and C. How come? A dash equal 5 and 2 plus negative 2 and 3 and negative 3. 5 plus negative 2 equals 3. 2 plus negative 3 equals negative 1. B dash equal 4 and 5 plus negative 2 and negative 3. 4 plus negative 2 equals 2. And 5 plus negative 3 equals 2. So B dash equal 2 and 2. Finally, C dash equal 2 and 2 plus negative 2 and 3 and negative 3. 2 plus negative 2, 0. 2 plus negative 3 equals negative 1. So it is 0 and negative 1. Okay. Now I'm going to connect the 3 points, 3 and negative 1 here. 2 and 2 here. 0 and negative 1 belong to y-axis. 0 and negative 1 here. and then I'm going to connect the 3 points, give me this triangle, which the translation of ABC. Here also, don't forget here A dash, and here B dash, this point, and this point is C dash. Okay, now I'm going to explain how can I identify this rule. Okay, look at me. Here we have a new concept or a magic triangle, and it is very, very important magic triangle. Okay, in this magic triangle, we are going to use to write the image up. And here I'm going to write point. And here I'm going to write translation. Okay, and after that I'm going to write the symbols plus, plus and minus. How come? Here we are going to write plus, here minus, and here also minus. What does it mean, Mr. Ahmed? If I need the image equal point plus translation. And if I need the point, so I'm going to hide the point equal image minus translation. And if I need the translation equal image minus point. Here BC is the translation. The translation equal image minus point. Okay, the translation from B to C, again, the translation from B to C, that means B is the point and C is the image. So the translation equal C minus B, or image minus the point. Okay, or by another meaning, BC equal second minus first, C minus B. Another example. In this example, if the point A equal negative 3 and 2, by translation in the coordinate is A dash. Okay, first find the rule of the translation. Okay, the translation equal image minus point according to the magic triangle. Again, the translation equal image minus point. So here the translation equal A dash minus A. So it is equal 2 minus minus 3 equals 5. And negative 2 minus 2 equals negative 4. Again, image minus point, A dash minus A. 2 minus minus 3 equals 5. Negative 2 minus 2 equals negative 4. This is the translation. Also, here A equal negative 3 and 2. This is the point A. And A dash 2 and negative 2. Here, this is A dash. By connect A and A dash, we get this line segment. Okay, that means A moved like this and like this, as we see. Okay, this is description for what happened, but this is the answer, 5 and negative 4. Negative 4. Okay, this is part number 1 in the question. This is answer of number 1. Number 2, find the image of B dash of B by the same translation. Okay, the image of B. Okay, I need here the image. Image equal point plus translation by using the magic triangle. Point plus translation. So I need B dash equal B plus the translation. B dash equals B plus the translation. So B 1 and negative 3, the translation 5 and the negative 4, 1 plus 5 equal 6, negative 3 plus negative 4 equals negative 7, so B dash equals 6 and negative 7. Let's solve the next question. A dash equals 7 negative 2 is the image of A by the translation whose rule negative 3 and 1. Find A. Okay, here by using the magic triangle again, okay, here the image point translation. Okay, now I need what? I have the image, I have the translation, I need the point. The point equal image minus translation. So A equal A dash minus the translation. So it is equal 7 minus 3, again 7 minus 3 equals 10. And the negative 2 minus positive 1, again negative 2 minus 1 equals negative 3. So A finally equal 10 and negative 3. Okay, or by another meaning, I can solve this one mentally. How come? This is A, X and Y. Okay, number minus 3 equals 7. Again, number minus 3 equals 7. This number is 10. And the number plus 1 equal negative 2. This number is negative 3. But it's better to use the magic triangle. It's very easy for you. Okay, and example 6 with us. In this example, don't forget the rule of the translation of the magic triangle. Here the point 2 and 5, by translation 2 and 1. So 2 plus 2, 4, and 5 plus 1 equals 6. Number 2, the image of the point negative 5 and 4, by translation 4 and negative 5. Negative 5 plus 4 equals negative 1. And 4 plus negative 5, or 4 minus 5, equals also negative 1. Number 3, the image of the point by translation of magnitude 3. Magnitude is the distance. Magnitude means the distance. 3 in the positive direction of x-axis. Okay, that means that we have the translation, okay, equal. The translation included x and y. Okay, x 3 units in the positive direction of x-axis. So x will be moved plus 3 because it is the positive direction of x-axis. And y is the same without change. So I'm going to, this is x and this is y. So I'm going to add x plus 3 and write y without change like this. Negative 1 plus 3 equal 2, and write down 2. Or you can represent graphically, but it's better to use to add 3 to x, and okay, this is enough. Number 4, the image of the point negative 3 and 4 by translation 4 units in the negative direction of y-axis. Here we have x and we have y. 4 in the negative direction of y. So y will be minus 4 and the x the same. So I'm going to write negative 3 without change and 4 minus 4 equal 0. Another example. If a dash 3 and negative 3 is the image of a by translation negative 1 and negative 4, then a equal. Okay, here by using the rule point equal image minus translation. So a equal a dash minus the translation. So a equal 3 minus 1 equals 4. And the negative 3 minus 4 equal 1. Number 6, a dash is the image of 2 and 3 by reflection in y-axis. So a dash equal reflection in y-axis change x, so it will be negative 2 and 3. Then A is the image of A dash by translation. Okay, the translation equal image minus point. So the translation here, he said A is image of A dash, so it is A minus A dash. Okay, 2 minus 2 equals 4, and 3 minus 3 equal 0. So the translation that map A to A dash is 4 and 0. Number 7, A and negative 1 is the image of 2 and 4 by translation 1 and negative B. Okay, here don't forget that image equal point plus translation. Okay, so this is A and the negative 1 is the image, okay, of 2 and 4 is the point by translation. I'm going to write it as an equation like this. Okay, the image is A and the negative 1. The point is 2 and 4. The translation is 1 and the negative B. Okay, here 2 plus 1 equal A. So A equal 3. Again, 2 plus 1 equal A. So A equal 3. And 4 minus B equal negative 1. Again, 4 minus B equal negative 1. That means if you need to solve it mentally, it's okay. It's equal negative 5. But I need to solve it by an equation like this. Here 4 minus B equal negative 1. I'm going to send 4 as minus. So negative B equal negative 1 minus 4. So negative B equal negative 5. So B equal 5. Okay, so B equals 5. The next example. Here example number 7. ABC is an equilateral triangle and the other triangle as we see are congruent. Okay, the image of ADF by translation AD in the direction of AD ray. Okay, first, where is ADF? This is ADF. Okay, this is triangle ADF as we see by translation AD in the direction of AD. So I'm going to move A as AD. So A goes from A to B at D, and D in the direction of AD go to B, and F in the direction of AD go to E or translate to E. Finally, the image is triangle DBE. The image is triangle DEB. Okay, another one. Here, FDFEC, this triangle, is the image of triangle DBE, the image of this one. This is the image, and this is the original or the points. Okay, by translation of magnitude, okay, I have many solutions. I can write BE or DF. Okay, here this point move from here to here. Okay, it moves looks like DF, so it is in the magnitude of DF and the direction of DF ray, like this. This is the end of the lesson. I hope it was helpful for you. See you inshallah in the next video. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah wa barakatuh. Mr. Ahmed Mahmoud was with you.